Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to find Snapchat password if you forgot it. Basically, if you wanted to find it inside the app, unfortunately for now it is not possible because Snapchat is very conservative about their policies, and they don't want to share any information even to you because you might not be the person who's using that account. So another way of finding your password, if you are using iPhone, just go ahead and open up your settings. Right in your settings, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down until you find the password. So you won't miss it. You're gonna find it right here. Just go ahead and confirm via your facial recognition or passcode, and then just type right here Snapchat. Basically, you're gonna see right here in your Snapchat, this is your username and password, and this is the way that I actually log in with my account. So if you want to know the password, just go ahead and tap the password, and you're gonna be able to see it and copy it even if you wanted to. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.